Today's video topic is 12 tips for stronger nails. Strong and healthy nails are not only aesthetically pleasing, but also a sign of good health. However, maintaining strong nails can be challenging due to various factors such as genetics, aging, and lifestyle habits. In this video, we'll share 12 tips for stronger nails to help you achieve the strong and healthy nails you desire. 1. Keep your nails clean and dry. Keeping your nails clean and dry is essential for maintaining healthy nails. Moisture can lead to fungal infections, so it's important to keep your nails dry after washing your hands or doing dishes. 2. Avoid harsh chemicals. Chemicals found in cleaning products and nail polish can weaken and damage your nails. Wear gloves while doing household chores and try to use non-toxic nail polish to protect your nails. 3. Use a moisturizer. Moisturizing your nails can help prevent them from becoming dry and brittle. Use a moisturizer that contains keratin or biotin to help strengthen your nails. 4. Take biotin supplements. Biotin is a B vitamin that plays a vital role in promoting healthy hair, skin, and nails. Taking biotin supplements can help improve the strength and thickness of your nails. 5. Eat a healthy diet. A balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals can help promote healthy nails. Foods high in biotin, vitamin B12, iron, and zinc can help strengthen your nails. 6. Drink plenty of water. Staying hydrated is essential for maintaining healthy nails. Drinking plenty of water can help you keep your nails hydrated and prevent them from becoming dry and brittle. 7. File your nails in one direction. Filing your nails in a back and forth motion can cause them to weaken and split. File your nails in one direction to prevent damage and maintain their strength. 8. Don't bite your nails. Biting your nails can cause damage and lead to infections. Try to avoid biting your nails and keep them trimmed and clean. 9. Limit the use of nail polish remover. Nail polish remover can be harsh on your nails and dry them out. Try to limit its use and opt for non-acetone nail polish remover instead. 10. Avoid using your nails as tools. Using your nails to open cans or packages can cause them to weaken and split. Use a tool instead to avoid damaging your nails. 11. Wear gloves in cold weather. Cold weather can cause your nails to become dry and brittle. Wear gloves to protect your nails and keep them moisturized. 12. Visit a dermatologist if necessary. If you notice any changes in the color or texture of your nails or experience any pain, it's important to visit a dermatologist. They can help diagnose and treat any underlying conditions that may be affecting the health of your nails. In conclusion, maintaining strong and healthy nails is achievable with a few simple lifestyle changes. By following these 12 tips for stronger nails, you can have the beautiful and healthy nails you desire.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our latest videos.